Did you know you can legally repair your credit score and boost your score fast? Let us break it down for you. Review your credit report. Begin by examining your credit report for inaccuracies. A single error might be damaging your score. Challenge errors. If you notice any inaccuracies, contest them with the credit bureaus. Eliminating even a single negative entry can significantly impact your score. Ensure timely payments. Your payment record constitutes 35% of your credit score. Always pay on time. Reduce your credit utilization. Maintain your credit usage under 30% to demonstrate to lenders that you're reliable. Establish good credit. Open new credit accounts. Manage them carefully and create a solid credit record. Supervise and safeguard your credit. Stay proactive against fraud and identity theft through consistent credit monitoring. Last but not the least, Not Just website. Have Credits Repair Exert team, which can provide you required results in no time. Contact Not Just website today and let us help you improve your score.